Others, my friend. Hello? Not known. Okay, don't worry. So let me share my screen and what we are going to do. That I'm going to give you the glimpses on that. Okay. So today, what we are going to do that right now, I think I have taken a little bit of I can say talking with several people on ICT and in EC also, and the majority of the students are saying that like either they have the good project, either they don't have the good project, and in the both of the classes like. They are finding a problem to choosing the proper topic, right topic, that what actually they need to do, what actually they need to search, and where the good topic has been found, and all the things. Okay, so for them, I have created one exercise from them. Okay, so let me just open the canvas and let me show you the stuff over here. Yeah, so this is a stuff which is related to task number 2. Submit your research topic along with the 2 latest review articles. Okay, and the discussion that I'm going to do about this website and all the thing in this lecture, so you don't worry about that. And then I will give you the hint that what actually you need to do in this particular exercise. Okay, so this is the stuff that we are going to discuss today. Now, uh, first I need to know about that. How many of you have a predefined topic? That on which topic you want to do the project, or which topic you are working right now, or you have think about that if I'm planning to submit any particular conference paper in any conference venue, so do you have any topic right now in your mind? I need your answer in chat box. Do you have any idea in your mind? And if I'll tell you that you need to write a 2-page paper on that, that can be accepted or that can be published in any conference, are you having this type of the topic? That majority answer says no, 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 nothing will be there. So there are a lots of people are there who is working on the several I can say domain. Yes, Vaibhav Solanki, tell me. Raise your hand. You have raised your hand.
No, sir, nothing, sir. I'm mistaken.
Okay, yeah.
Just
So I can say like there are a lots of domain that we have in electronics, and that's the very, very, very huge domain in terms of the research field, I can say. Starting from computer vision, image processing, wireless communication, antenna designing, photonics, optical communication, and other kind of the material science domain also we can work. So there are a lots of open topics are there on which you can work. And for the practice, like you want to work on embedded system in a VLSI and in any manner, so that is a vast range we have of the topic, research topic, on which at least we can do some exercise, like we do some literature survey, we'll just develop some of the logic, and we can submit our 3 to 4 month of the work in any good conference. You can go over there, present your idea, and your paper get published over there. Okay, so for that first the question that whatever the domain I'm looking right now, okay, let's take I'm working on VLSI domain. So what are the core journals are there? What are the core I can say magazines are there, journals are there, or the current trending topics are there on the VLSI? That first I need to know. Okay, and if you develop the knowledge on that, reading the more and more stuff on that, so it will help you to make yourself kind of the sharp in that domain also, and your latest knowledge will also get increased from that. Okay, so how we can get those information? That's the first stuff we have. In last lecture we have discussed about the Google Scholar. Okay, so Google Scholar will give you the articles which was latest, as per the date you can sort it out, as per the timeline you can sort it out, as per the citation you can sort it out, but you need to give some keyword. Okay, that's Google Scholar is a entire C, but what you need to search over there, that first you need to decide. Okay, so for that I have found a good stuff over here, and that you need to follow, or you can follow that stuff and getting a quick answer that what is the correct information, what are the current trend, and all the things. So for that, simply Over here, there are several link has been given. So Google Scholar, you know that. Google Scholar will give you the all the papers which was published previously, which was publishing daily and all the things. But what are the trending journals are there inside of that Google Scholar, so that you can get it from the last website. So in the last website, there are a top publication list is there. Top publication list, okay. In the top publication list, there are categories is there. Engineering, computer science, physics, mathematics, life science, several. So our engineering, computer science, under this engineering, computer science, there are a subcategories there. Like in which domain you want to search a top 20, or we can say top publication. Let's take, I can start it in a, let's take stuff of computer graphics. Just a second, my friend. Okay, so under this list, you can get a list of top 20 publication in a computer graphics. Okay, now top 20 publication in computer graphics, it means the we can say most readable journals or most citable journals are this one. Okay, in entire world under the computer graphics, most of the people who is working on computer graphics, they are taking a reference of this 20 journals. You can find the direct information of that simply by just selecting their word and just search it into the Google. What is IEEE transaction on? So there are a dedicated website is there, IEEE transaction visualization, and it is having a 4.558 impact factor, and it's really high. You can say like that, if the journal impact factor is more than 3, so the information is provided in that journal which was very latest and very new in manner, okay, on that particular topic. Okay, so this is a way like what is a top 20 domain, or we can say top 20 sources I have through which I can get my latest information. So that's the thing we have by going to that particular link. You need to go to the computer graphics area subcategory. There are other areas also there. Engineering, computer science, plasma, fiction, robotics, everything is there. Okay. So you can categorize like that one also. After that, once you reach to that journal, you need to think on that. Okay, let me take the example of robotics, because that most of the people are electronics people are working on robotics. So let me take a example of robotics. So first journal, IEEE International Conference on Robotics, which is mostly people are working, as well as let's IEEE Transaction on Mechatronics Robotics. Sorry, no, I need to search on Google. Yeah. So there are a first transaction on mechatronics. Okay, or we can say another journal I can take, which is the first one, which is a international conferences on robotics and automation. Okay, so we can say there are a most I can say there are a kind of the famous conferences there which the majority of the people are following, or we can say majority of the people are working on that. Okay, so in IEEE International Robotics and Automation Society, and this is a conference, I can say this is a conference we have, and in that conference, if you want to find out what are the current topic that people are working on that, so you can find out there. I can say that's the publication center also. That let me just go with this RAL. That's RAL, which is a one type of the letters are there. Robotics and automation letters are there. So in the robotic automation letter, you can go. They have already given this link. You can go to that letters. It's a 3.6 impact. So yeah. But what are the topics? So when you read on about the journal, you will get the idea that what are the aims, and we can say the scope of that particular journal is there. So it will be like it's innovative research and idea reporting significant theoretical finding on robotics they are giving, as well as what are the subject they are targeting. They are subject targeting regarding robotics, control system, computer processing, circuits, device. So this is a broad area. What are the specific area they are targeting? For that, you need to go to their current issue. In that current issue, read just the title of the paper. Read just the title of the paper. Place recognition in forest with Urquhart tessellation. Okay, so that is something new that I think previously you have not heard about it. So that's the stuff. Crowd density forecasting by model patch based dynamics. So crowd based forecasting, which is something new in terms of the robotics. Multimodal deep gravitational model. Okay, trajectory prediction, that we can say kinematically redundant robots. We can say like a hierarchical localization, visual place recognition, that we can say the name which is mentioned as a kind of the robotic bean packing system. So what are the name of this particular paper is that can be your kind of the research topic, or we can say your keyword that actually you can search for your task. Okay, so any paper you will just click on that, it will give you the several information, and you all know about that, which will give you the related to stuff. What is the keyword? What is the keywords are there? What is the author's keyword are there? So this keyword you can find out: service robot, robot vision system, fault tolerance system, three-dimensional display, robot, manipulators. Okay, so these all are the key point that you can list it out. Like if you are very much interested in robot, but you don't know what I need to do in robotics. Okay, what I need to write, what I need to search in robotics, because as I have told you, in robotics there are 20 journals are there, and all journal having a different topic they are catering. But which topic I supposed to work, so that you can find out by this process. Go to journal, go to their latest article, find out their keywords, in which keyword they are publishing. So make those keywords for yours and try searching for those particular keyword from the Google Scholar, and you will get the latest information. Is that okay? This is a stuff. Is it clear? Yes or no, first of all?
Yes, sir.
So this is a kind of the back to front work that you can do, like to searching a proper keyword, searching a proper information, and that is going to be a very much crucial and important for us. Now, whatever the topic I have found, let's take, I have found one topic from the same stuff. Let's take, which is I can say robot vision system. Let's take a robot vision system, which is my lecture. So in robot vision system, this is your keyword you have find out. Okay, so that we can say just search it. Go to the Google Scholar. Google Scholar, simply you need to just write the robot vision system review. So there are an entire book is there, which has been published in 2013, Robot Vision. As well as there are a most cited stuff, which will be like a performance review on 3D TOF vision system, on stereo vision system, or Kalman Filter robots vision survey is there, which is in 2011. Likewise, there are a different reviews has been available over here. Model based recognition, robot vision. Okay, so there are a kind of the review paper, like it's a cited 924 times. So you can say there are a most cited information is there, or we can say there are a basic fundamental paper that is available on the net, as well as autonomous robotic weed control system. So likewise, you can find out their fundamental information on that particular topic, as well as you can find out their core information, like what is the meaning of the robot vision, what are the different models are there, what are the review papers are there, that will give you the overall idea about that particular topic. Okay, so this is the overall process, I can say. This is overall, I can say there are things that actually you can learn it from the website, you can get it from the website, and you can find out a proper information. Okay, there are other websites also there, like if you don't want to directly go with in this manner through the Google Scholar, so I have give you the different link in the canvas also. So there are a different journal houses, IET are there, IEEE Explore are there, Elsewhere are there, Springer are there. Okay, all the things is available in the market. Okay, so you simply, there are a renowned publication houses are there. There are $1 billion industries also, you can say publication industries. You can get scientific information from that. You search any particular keyword, like let's take robot vision. You just search that and you will get a category, that which type of the information you want to get. Are you want to get the journal which is related to robot vision? Or you want to get the paper related to robot vision and all the things? So let it will search. Yeah, so it will give you what is the thread you require. All result, web page, books, journals. If you just click on journal, so we can say there are 100 journals are there which is showing interest in robot vision. So these are your information sources where you can get the idea that what the robot vision, what are the stuff is related to that. So this all journal are having something related to keyword robot vision. So they are accepting the paper in the robot vision like that. So these are your information sources. Out of that also, if you just make it a filter, or if you just find out that those journals are more than 3 impact factor, so you can say these are all are the most cited, and we can say most buzz, we can say that journals are there. It means it's popular in most of the scientists. If I can say, if you found the impact factor over here 20, so we can say majority of the people who is working on computer vision, they are referring those journals. So we can say all the scientists or engineers or the people who are working around the world in that particular domain, they are referring their first priority is of that journal. Why? Because their impact factor is higher. So likewise, you can filter out your data, like where I can get the good one, where I can found a proper information and all the things. Okay. Similarly, there are IEEE is also there. You can search any particular stuff, robot vision, and it is a specific journal search engine. So we can say it is not like a Google. Okay. So whatever the article available in this publication house, they will give you the result on that. Okay. So specifically for the robot vision, they will give you the directly, that's a two paper, that's a journal article they will give. They will give you the stuff like where this actually, this robot vision related article has been published. So this type of the stuff you can, robot vision. There are a lot more information must be there in robot vision. Yeah, have you seen journal article? There are a 3,449 journal article is still with that, only with IEEE. There are overall 39,000 results are there in which robot vision has been mentioned. So we can say likewise you can get this stuff and you can just filter out it also. Like what is your range? I need information just after 2019 only. Let's take 2019. And if you just filter out, it will give you the latest information that what are the things are there in robot vision in last 2 years. So you can get kind of the lots of stuff over here. Robot vision. You can also just search it out with the newest first. So you will get what is the latest article has been published in this one. So I can take reference directly from that. So these are the stuff that actually you can use for your literature survey, for your information gathering. Okay. Any doubt in this one? Yes, no. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Are you getting everything? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
DBS, Vaibhav, Mohammed Salma,
Yes, sir.
Shivani,
Yes, sir.
Prayag, Neet.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now there are a task which is related to you. What you need to do in this particular exercise. So see the task 2 and read now it carefully, that as per the discussion that I have done in this lecture, you need to find, okay, now it's time to find out the domain or the topic on which you supposed to work. Okay, you need to find out, it's not limited like that you can find out only one topic, you can find out n number of topics. But what I require as per this discussion, you need to find a review paper, or we can say you need to find out an article. Okay, first you need to identify your domain. like what is your domain, what is your topic, and which topic you're supposed to work, and all the things. After finalizing that keyword and topic, what you need to find out? You need to find out two review paper. Now, what do you mean by review paper? Let me just show you over here. If you simply search like review on graphene oxide, or we can say review on graphene based functional device. Let's take this review. Okay, we will see what inside this review we have. So this is the review article mentioned over here. Now let me download. Now you have the question, sir, I need this paper, but it is not having, I need to pay 34 euros. How I can get this stuff? So for that also I have given the link in the canvas. You just go to this one, search this stuff, put your entire title over there. So this is published in 2018. So it's a latest one. It's just 3 years back. Just search it and you directly get that PDF file freely. Okay. And you just see that. What do you mean by review article? By having a review article that is about a 20-page long. Have you seen? This is a 20-page article. And in the 20-page article, to write this paper, this person has read 204 paper. You can say there are 204 paper this person is citing. It means there are information of 204 papers. Okay, so this is the overall stuff we have. Like from this paper, you will get everything. What is the history? What is a current trend up to 2019? Whenever this paper published, you can say up to that year, all the history, current trend has been mentioned. Okay, so basic, fundamental, current trend, whatever the available functional graphene-based functional devices. So all, whatever the major information is there for physical and theoretical, mathematical model, fabrication of those particular stuff, type of structure available in the market, their characterization, tunable antenna, and several stuff they will mention with the figure. So what you need to find out, whatever the topic you are finalizing, okay, it's just a one topic. You need to find out, as per the task is mentioned over here, you need to find out at least two latest review paper on that topic. Okay. And what do you mean by latest? Latest, it means not later than 2016. Okay, what do you say? Not later than 2016. So whatever the paper you are find out, review paper, I'm saying, the review paper I have shown to you, it's about 20 page, 30 page, 50 page, 60 page long. That review paper should not be older than 2016. Okay. Why I am saying that? Why I am saying that not 2016? Because those are the just before 3 years. So 1 year we have forgot about the corona. So it's a 2020. If we can say after 2016, 2020, there are 5 years people has already started, and there are still scope of that on that particular topic to do something new. Okay, so that's why I am making it limit 2016. I can also make a limit of 2017, but it's become a little bit harder. Okay, as I'm making a latest review, topic is not going to be that much of the available in the market. So I'm giving you the limit up to 2016. After that, you need to find out two review paper, and you need to upload those two review paper over here along with the topic, like that. This is my topic, and this is a review paper for that. So in comment section, you write your topic and the paper you need to upload over here. Some of the students will get enthusiastic, like, sir, it's not just a 2 paper. I have found a 20 paper, which is very latest, and I'm very much interested to work on that. And I have found the latest information on the topic through various review or research paper. So right now, this stuff is going to be due compulsory after a few weeks. But if somebody want to do it in advance, what you need to do? You need to create one Google Drive. Okay, you need to create one Google Drive. You need to paste all your paper over there. and you need to share the link with me through this Canvas portal. Okay, so whenever I'm going with any student that which particular domain this particular students are working, so I need to open the Canvas, I need to search that person, I need to see the task too, and I can get the idea that this person is working on, let's say, computer vision, this person is working on artificial intelligence, this person is working on plasmonics, this working on the tunable antenna. So likewise the domain I can finalize it. Is it okay with everyone? Any question in this one? First of all, that ask me. Then I will go with that. What is the expected outcome from your side? Any question? Please tell me. Think about that in 2 minutes. Give me the question if you have.
Sir,
Yes, Vaibhav.
sir, can you summarize the things what we have to do again for clarity?
Okay, Vaibhav. Let me just summarize this stuff.
Yes, just
Like,
in short, yes.
yeah. So I have.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please. Yes, Mohammed.
Yes, sir. Your voice, I cannot hear your voice good. So if you can, please, if you can write, if you can,
Right. So
on chat box.
writing it's very difficult. What you can do, Mohammed, like just note down this time and you just see the recorded lecture from the
Oh,
so that's
okay, sir.
a good one. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, yeah. So Vaibhav, regarding this stuff, sweet or we can say short summary, sweet and short summary. So what simply you need to do, if you have the topic, okay, as initially that's why I'm asking, are you having any topic in your mind? If you have your topic, then on that topic you need to find out a two review paper which is latest, it means not later than 2016. So whatever the domain you have, in that domain, you need to find out a two review article from the Google Scholar or from the website that I have given in the Canvas, like I have given the several website in Canvas. So from this website or from the Scholar, from this publication house, you need to find out a two review article on your topic, okay, which was not later than 2016. That's the first question. Now, some of these students is saying, sir, we don't have the topic. So how you can find out the topic? Like you have something interesting in your mind, like I like embedded system, I like machine learning, I like antenna. So simply you can just go to that publication house or you go to this top 20 publication and you make your category define. Like what's your category of engineering, and under the engineering which is my proper topic is there, computer graphics, computing system, what are my multimedia, what are my topic. So likewise you can go to those particular we can say let me just take it something over here so you get the idea.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So if you take radar, positioning, navigation, remote sensing, let's take radar and navigation you have taken. So under this radar and navigation, you got the idea that these are a top 20 journals, which is right now in the Google Scholar. Okay, so you can say by going to that journal website, you can get the latest information on radar and navigation. So you simply need to go to that radar and navigation journal kind of the website. Okay, you need to search for that, what this journal is publishing, in which domain they are publishing, what are their current issues. Okay, in current issue which type of the keyword they are using. Let's say this is a entire kind of the latest article or latest magazine or latest journal issue is there, but inside of any particular paper which type of the keyword they are giving. So from that keyword you will get your topic, like on which, in radar and navigation particularly I want to work in which particular I can say keyword, or in which particular method. Like in radar I need to work on something smoothing method, predicting algorithm, target tracking, Kalman filter, parallel processing. So likewise you will get the idea that on radar and navigation I want to work on prediction algorithm. So that's your topic get finalized, that I want to work on radar prediction algorithm. Okay, now you finalize such type of the 6 to 7 word and try to search it again, go back to Scholar and try to search it on the internet or try to search in the Scholar that radar prediction system or radar prediction algorithm review article. So just search like that, review article, and you will get automotive radar review on signal processing technique, which has been published in 2017. So you just go to that particular website and see that whether it's a review paper or not. Now you have the over here barrier that how I can download this. So if you are in instead, if you are in a Marwari, so it is possible that like you can directly just download that stuff. Otherwise, you go to this Library Genesis website that I have already given in the Canvas portal. Whatever the topic, whatever the title is there, you just paste those title over here. Simple. And search it. You will get the PDF file of that by linking to that mirror and download that paper and just observe whether this article is review or not. If it is long enough, 20, 25, 30 pages, we can say this is a review. If it is not downloadable, go with the another article which is on this particular same topic. We can say radar networks review on features and challenging, or find out the specific keyword like that prediction algorithm, radar prediction algorithm. Okay, radar networks review features challenge. Whenever you find the suitable, like this entire title and internal abstracts are directly matching to you, you just find out that article and just include in your system. So if I found this 2020 radar network reviews of features and challenges, so just search this stuff in the Library Genesis over here and download that article. Okay, and read that whether this article is useful for me or not. And if it is useful, so just make it final that I can work on this radar by using this particular idea. So it's an 8-page article, so we cannot directly rely on that. Why? Because that's one type of the research article. It's not a review, but it's a short review. So either you can accept it or you can reject it. It's depend upon you. But yes, it's having a 109 reference, so we can include it. Okay, so they have short review, but something review has been given on that topic. Okay, so likewise, you need to first finalize the topic, that on which topic you're supposed to work. What is the latest review article on that? You need to search it out of that, and that you need to submit into the Canvas, 2 articles. If you found more than 2 articles, then upload it to the drive and share that drive link with me in the Canvas. Is it okay now, Vaibhav? Have you got my
Okay, sir.
idea?
Thank you, sir.
Now, when this going to useful? Okay, at the end of the semester, I will ask everybody to submit a 2-page conference paper for that. Okay. Now, what is a conference paper? It's related to the paper that directly I can submit to conference in your next semester. Okay, if in next
Based on
semester,
those 2 articles.
no. This is just the beginning. Once you will finalize the topic and we will find the potential on that, yes, this topic is working well, then you need to write a conference paper on that. Okay, not based on 2-page. Like if you found, Vaibhav, there are the one thing also we can say. If you found a 2 review paper, and each review paper you have 100 citation are there, so meaning of that, right now you have a pool of 200 papers that actually you can refer. You can create a short summary, you can propose some new idea. I'm not saying generating something or developing something. I'm saying that proposing some new idea, writing some small code and submit it to the conference. Okay, I'm not saying that develop entire system, but develop some little bit of block diagram from that 2 paper that you can think like I can also add in this one and I can create something new. So that is the stuff that I'm expecting from your side. And 2-page format, 2-page article format, you are having a 2 review paper equivalent to that 200 articles. From that, at least 2 page you can write in manner. And what is the overall stuff, what are the things we have. Okay, but how the 2-page article will look like, let me just show you over here. Whenever I'm writing a 2-page article, it will be simply like this one. Initially there are some title, author affiliation are there, then small 5 to 6 line abstract on that particular topic, like we have done a review on this radar based predictive algorithm. and we can say we have found out, we have given a detailed review, detailed comparative analysis of that, and from that we have found out that this is a stuff that can be targeted by the new algorithm, and the possibility of new algorithm we have presented in paper. So that's what you need to do. You first need to write an introduction, half page of the introduction, one column introduction, that what is this algorithm. So it's not about 20 to 30 line, maximum it's a 20 to 25 line. Then your proposed structure, then whatever the comparative analysis you have done, that comparative analysis you can do, your block diagram, your proposed algorithm you can present in next page, and then write conclusion and choose the specific 20 or 10 or 12 papers that actually is useful for you. Just include it over here, and 2-page conference paper is going to be ready with that. And we can submit it to the various journal, various conference kind of the events, okay, throughout the India. And if there are very something good, innovative, we can submit it through the foreign also. So I'm expecting that whatever the topic that you are choosing right now, that topic can be helpful for choosing a final year project also. That can be useful for defining your interest in that particular thrust area also. So in company also you can say like that, I know this, I know, let's take, you can say targeted the VLSI technology. So in VLSI, if you found one topic, so you can represent your idea in front of the interviewer that, see, I have done that much of the literature survey, I know about this latest technology, and I have already published one paper on that also. So it will impact a lot as compared to others. Okay, so on that big vision, this practice is supposed to start. That what is the latest information on that domain? That suppose that actually we need to gather over here. What is the latest information that you can present it to the any article? Any question in this one? Just give me a minute. Yes, any question? Any question, everyone? So this is a overall a kind of the big roadmap that we are targeting. Like up every time, whenever you just searching anything, so you must be updated with the latest technology. Like what is the updation? What are the current technology? And if you read such type of the review paper, if you have a habit to read those stuff, you will definitely get lots of kind of the good information from that. Okay, so that's the overall my motive is there. So whenever you kind of this sit in front of any MNC or any company, you should showcase this stuff. Like, yes, I know about this technology and I have published one paper also, and my conference paper has been available in internet also. See, so you can, along with your resume, you can show your research finding also, and they require such type of the innovative people who can do the critical thinking, who can search the right information, who can take the proper decision, proper information gathering. They need a people like that. Okay, so this is a broad vision that I want to develop in my students. Any question with this one? Any idea? Any question? Anything you know you want to add? For the electronic students, there are tons of topics. Okay, in kind of the several domain, there are tons of topics are there. Yeah, so find out your question and query and tell me. Yeah, so that students are saying, is it possible to do it? DVS has given the commitment. No, sir, we will do it. What about others? I need a commitment from everyone. Can you do that? At least before you leave this particular subject, I'm expecting that you at least one particular conference paper we can submit into the good, we can say, conference location. So you have a chance to go over there, you can represent your idea over there, you can meet with the scientist, a researcher who are doing in that domain, and you can share your idea, and it what who have think like that directly you can get the job offers from their location, or you can get the another opportunity for masters or higher study or any foreign studies. Who know? Okay, that's kind of the unpredictable thing, but that community getting increase on that domain. Yeah. Will it impact in our resume? Definitely. You can write, yeah. If we go to research, then definitely you can say I have a research skill. Okay, I'm working 2 years early. Like this skill has been developed by the master student, but already I have done it. See, that's the benefit to many. Okay, your resume length is get increased, that I have done this stuff. See my article available, this one. See my blog is available in the internet. See I have presented my paper over there. That's impact a lot. Okay, and those who are specially targeting about the higher study, foreign study, they have to do this in very good in manner, because it's all stuff are required in higher study, in foreign study also. If you want to apply for the any foreign courses, and if you have a conference paper or journal paper at your UG level, you will directly get a lots of scholarship. You will directly just get a kind of the good attention to those scrutiny committee. So that's the advantages for that in very big in manner. So think on that particular domain. Yeah, please. Yes, Juhi.
Sir, I have so many confusions.
Yeah, tell me, Juhi. What's the confusion?
Sir, this review paper, in this review paper, the sites you gave, we have to search on that, or we can use our own words.
Yeah, you can search on, like in that the link I have given. That's
Okay.
the link where the papers are available. They are reputed journal houses are there. They are publishing in many domain, computer, engineering, science, everywhere they are publishing. So whatever your topic are there, you can search it to their publication houses, and they will give you the list of journals, list of papers, review article. You can get it from that. That's the first thing. That these are the domains where actually you can get a good information. Okay, now if you don't have the topic, that website is used for the two ways: either to search what are the current information, either to search your kind of the keyword. And if I want to do in this particular domain, they will give you the article that we have published this article for your domain. If you don't know anything, you can just go to those journal related to your kind of the broad vision, and you can find out the keyword from that, and again you research them on the same domain, so you can get the more clear result out of that. And if you want to search it globally, you search those topic in Google Scholar. So every journal, whatever the publication is there, whatever the publication house is there, all are combining in the Google Scholar. So you can get the combined result over there, not a journal specific result or publication house specific results.
But sir, that is just research work. But finally, what we have to submit, we have seen two, three articles, and we like content from all of them. So we can take part
So
part of it.
initially this practice is related. I want to see that whether the latest article on that topic, are you able to find out or not? That actually I want to see from your side. So that's why I have given the task like find a 2 review article on that topic which is not older than 2016. First search 2 article, and if more than 2 articles, then upload it to the Google Drive and share the link with me. Okay,
Even
I
if
want
we find out, sir, but the wordings, the everything that should be of our on our own, or from that article, it will, or just the article.
I'm not getting, like, are you saying that you see
Ready-made article. We have to paste that ready-made article, or we have to make changes.
ready-made? I need initially the ready-made 2 articles that you have found latest in that information.
Okay, right. Sir.
I want to see that which latest article on that particular topic you have found. You need to give me that 2 article, download that and upload it to the Canvas. I first want to know that whether are you able to find out the review article on that paper or not. Just show me the 2 paper. That's I'm saying simply. Then
Citation is also required, no? Then, sir.
I'm just saying, just like you have searched something in Google Scholar, you have found a 2 article which is related to your wording. Just download the 2 article and submit to the Canvas. That's it. Nothing will be there. No need to write, nowhere you need to do the summary, nothing. Just download 2 article and submit to me. That, sir, see that this 2 article is useful for me. Then in the next step, I will give you the task. Like, write the introduction from that, write a summary from that, include the citation of that. Likewise, this is the next step. First step, searching the proper information. So that information I'm asking over here.
Okay, sir.
Getting my point? So right now, no need to write, nothing need to write, nothing, the format, nothing. Just download the article, submit it to the Canvas. If downloadable article are more, if you are not satisfied with that one topic, you can say, I have a 5 topic and in each topic I have paper. So make one Google Drive, make a folder, include the article over there and share it with me. It's open for all, like it's not limited one topic, but minimum one topic, maximum whatever your capacity.
Okay, sir.
Done?
Thank you.
Got
Yes.
the clear idea, everyone? So let me just take the attendance over here. So I can just include as a present. So yeah, so speak the number one by one. Number 3, starting from number 3.
Present, sir.
Next,
Present, sir. 4.
Present, sir. 5.
7,
7. Yes, sir, present.
8. 8.
9,
Present,
Sir,
sir.
six
9.
present.
6 is present. Okay. 10,
Yes, sir.
11, 12,
12.
13,
Present, sir.
14. 14 is not there. 15.
Yes, sir.
14 is present. Yeah, 15 is present. 1. DBS. DBS. Sivan is there. Yes. So 1 and 11, these 2 are the absent numbers.
Sir, 11 is there. Chat box માં લખવાનું.
Okay, 11. Number 1, DBS is there. DBS has came today or not? DBS?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, DBS. So bolo bhai. Okay, so all present, I can. All present. Yeah. Yeah, so any question, ask me. Otherwise, I'm done from my side. You can just leave after that. If you have any question, then ask.
No, sir.
Okay, goodbye. Take care. And do this before the next week, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye-bye. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.